To remove this taillight, I'm going to pop this cover off. There we go. Now you have a 10mm bolt here and one all the way up top. Let's remove both of those. That's one, and number two. Set those aside. Remove the taillight. So when you take it out, you lean it a little bit to the side, but also pull out at the same time. It has little tabs that get locked into the body of the vehicle, so it has to basically snap out of place. There we go. Now to get to the connector, you actually have to remove this boot, fold it, pull it out of the way, press on the tab, disconnect your electrical connector. There we go. And here's your old taillight. Reconnect your new taillight, make sure it clicks in, and bring the boot in. Make sure that it snaps into place. If this doesn't seal up, then you get water inside of your car. So press that in, make sure it's seated all the way. Perfect, there you go. And now, when you put the taillight in, it has this tab here and this one. Those two tabs need to line up with these two plastic retainers here. So make sure that it does line up. And then you want to press it on. Perfect. Now we get the two bolts in. That's one, and number two. Now let's put the plastic trim piece back. Line up all the push clips. Snap it into place. Perfect.